5 seconds to go. Start. We impress upon the investigating officer of the SIT to expedite the inquiry investigation with respect to complaints already received from various insurance companies with respect to suspicious fake claims. We also call upon the SIT to file a further affidavit pointing out in how many cases the charge sheets have been filed, when the charge sheets have been filed, the date of filing of the charge sheets, in which courts the charge sheets have been filed, and in how many cases the charges have been framed by the concerned magisterial court. A response affidavit has been filed on behalf of the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh dated 5th December 2021, affirmed by an advocate and the member secretary of the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh. It is stated in the response affidavit that the chairman and the member secretary of the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh have assumed their office after being elected on 6 July 2021. The chairman and the member secretary of the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh have tendered unqualified and unconditionally apology for any acts or omissions on their part which is neither deliberate nor intentional. It is stated that the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh also ensures that the errant advocates who are indulged in such activities of filing fake claims cases in an unethical manner may not be left scot-free and shall be dealt with appropriately in accordance with law. It is stated that the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh is duty bound to take action against the errant advocates in accordance with law, and it shall adhere with the directions of this court in letter and spirit, and will also ensure to conclude the disciplinary proceedings in the specified time period. In the response affidavit, it is stated that pursuant to the earlier directions issued by this court directing the Bar Council of India and the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh to file a detailed report and steps taken, the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh has taken the following actions. Wide letter dated 22nd September 2021, it called upon the Workmen Compensation Commissioner Uttar Pradesh and the General Manager ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited to provide the details and copy of the complaint. However, till 29 September 2021, no response was received. Subsequent thereto, the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh again sent a reminder letter on 29 September 2021 to the Workmen Compensation Commissioner Uttar Pradesh and the General Manager ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited. The Office Superintendent of the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh was also called upon to submit its report about the action taken pursuant to the earlier directions issued by this court. However, no satisfactory response was furnished. Some complaints pertaining to the year 2013 were supplied. It was further reported that, as per the office report, ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited has not sent any complaint under the Advocates Act. As such, an appropriate action could be taken upon receipt of such complaint. Furthermore, the Secretary of the Bar Council was called upon to provide the details of the advocates alleged to have been involved into such unethical practice, along with their names, enrollment number and addresses, so that appropriate proceedings can be drawn against the errant advocates in compliance of the directions issued by this court. The Bar Council of India, vide its letter dated 22nd November 2021, suspended 28 advocates, and the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh was directed to conclude the disciplinary proceedings against them within a specified period of 3 months. Pursuant to that, an emergent meeting of General House of the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh was called on 27th November 2021, and disciplinary committees were also constituted on the same day. That on the next day, that is 28th November 2021, the chairman of the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh allocated that said cases to the disciplinary committees, and consequently the said disciplinary committees issued notice issue to the errant 27 advocates, fixing therein next date of hearing on 8th December 2021. It may be clarified here that one advocate, namely Jai Singh, has already been passed away, died. We appreciate the steps taken by the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh, taken on or after 22nd September 2021, which shall ensure to maintain the purity of the legal profession in the state of Uttar Pradesh. We also impress upon the Bar Council of India, Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh to conclude the disciplinary proceedings in accordance with law as early as possible. Stop.